I'm gonna teach you how to do a perfect squat. In this case, our workout, we did a pistol squat. With any squat, you wanna have a nice good base. Legs are shoulder width apart, okay? We always wanna have good knee bend, athletic stance, squeezing your glutes. Okay, so a nice squat would be standing, flexing your hips forward, and sitting back in that stance with your chest up. When you stand up with any squat you're doing, you're driving with your heels, nice and low, standing up. If we're moving into a pistol squat, it's gonna be the same thing with a little bit more technique. Straight leg, trying to reach back with our heels and sit back, nice and low, driving through the heel, okay? So to start, regular squat, extend, drive through the heel, single leg pistol squat, down, and driving through the heel, nice and balanced and strong. That is how you do a proper squat.